Good afternoon. Today we will discuss about loops in PLSQL. Same, the functioning of loop is same in every programming languages. Whatever the function is there, same function we are using in PLSQL also. Loop is nothing but it is iterative statement. Repetition purpose we are using. If you want to repeat or execute same statement multiple times, we are using loops. That is the main need. Here, what is the need of loop in PLSQL? So in PLSQL, whatever we discussed programs in PLSQL, we accessed only one row of data. We specified where condition employee number equal to 7788. But in where condition we will not specify where department number equal to 20, because in department number 20 there are multiple employees will be there. Up to multiple rows we can't access it with the help of PLSQL. So that is possible with the help of cursor. So with the help of cursor we can store multiple rows of data of a table. So in cursor we want to see all rows from the table, means we want to repeat. There we are using loops. That is the need. In cursor we are storing multiple rows. You want to access, you want to repeat multiple rows from the table, we are using loops. That is the need of the loops in PLSQL. In PLSQL there are mainly unique three types of loops are there. We will see. First one is loop end loop. In this we are using if option, if condition, then exit. This is the one option. Second one is exit when condition. These are the two options we are using in the loop and loop. It is just like a do while loop in C language. First it will execute, then condition will be checked. Second one is while loop, similar to C language. Third one is for loop. So these are the three unique loops in PLSQL. First of all, we will see loop and loop, its syntax, and one program also we will discuss. Syntax. So first you take as initialization, then loop. Direct we are executing statement 1, comma 2, then increment or decrement, if condition, then exit. So if is there, end if. Loop is there, end loop. So this is syntax of loop and loop. This is the first way. See. See, first initialization loop, we are executing statement 1, then increment, decrement. Now check the condition. If condition is true, exit. Exit means it will exit from the loop. If condition is false, so again goes to executing statements, then again repeats. Okay, it means reverse comparing to C. If condition is true, then it will exit. Whereas in C language, if condition is true, repeats. Here, if condition is true, it will exit. If condition is false, repeat. So if is there, we are terminating with the end if. Loop is there, we are terminating with the end loop. And here we will see displaying all natural numbers from 1 to given number using loop and loop. So how we will see. Okay. this is the program. Display all natural number from 1 to n. So first declare. So I there is a okay need number of 3 n number of 3. So begin. So first I am initializing I is equal to 1. Okay. Then n I am entering at runtime. So then first loop direct printing dvms underscore output dot put line. So here they are displaying only direct I.
No. Me.
So after printing, I am incrementing plus plus operator not supported by PLSQL. So and in PLSQL, colon equal is assignment operator. Then I plus plus means I is equal to I plus 1. Then condition if I is equal to 6, then exit. So if is there, and if loop is there, end loop, then end. Okay. So here first declare I number 3, n number 3. Begin I is equal to 1, n. The program will ask you enter a number, enter a value for n. So first of all we are displaying I is equal to 1. After displaying we are incrementing I is equal to 1 plus 1 2. Then checking 2 is equal to 6, condition false. If condition is true, then it will exit. So here I is equal to 6, then here then is here. So means it will repeat up to 5. Okay, it will display I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I is equal to 6, 6 is equal to 6, condition is true, then it will exit. Okay. So if is there and if, loop is there and loop, and the program will terminate with the end. This is a simple print all natural numbers with the help of loop and loop in PLSQL. So it is if condition is there, without if also we can perform. We'll see that second option. So write this program first. So without if condition, first declare I number of 3, n number of 3, then begin. Okay. So first initialization of I is equal to 1, n is equal to and n. So first loop. So we are displaying dvms underscore output dot put underscore line. We are displaying I. Then I is equal to I plus 1. So exit when. So I is equal to 6. It close. So there is no if and loop is there. End loop. Then end. So this is. So here first it will display I is equal to 1. Then increments. It will repeat up to I value 6. After displaying 5, then it will increment as 6. 6 is equal to 6, condition true. If condition true, then automatically it will exit. So this is the second way of repetition. Suppose we will see compilation. Compilation purpose I am taking only 3. So how we will see? So first you take, so first I is equal to 1, so it will display I value 1, so it will display 1 output. Then I is equal to I plus 1. What is I is equal to? I is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So condition I, 2 is equal to 3, condition false. If condition is false, again goes to loop. So it will display I. Now what is I value 2? 2 value will display. After displaying I plus plus, I is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is equal to 3, condition 2. If condition is 2, it will exit. So if you specify 3, it will display only 1, 2. If you specify 4, it will display 1, 2, 3. If you take it will specify as a 6, it will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When cursor comes to I value as a 6, condition is 2, it will automatically exit from this loop concept. So this is a second way of displaying all natural numbers from 1 to given number n, okay, with the help of exit when option in loop and loop concept. Now we will see while loop, and while loop is similar to C, C++, Java. Same in loop and loop, first it will execute, then condition will be checked. Whereas in while loop, first condition will be checked. If condition is true, then only statements will execute. Okay. So if condition is false, it will exit. But somewhat the same, total similar to C language. We will see the syntax of while loop in PLSQL. So here we will see the program on factorial. Before that, first of all, we will see the syntax. See, first initialization, then while, condition, loop, execution of statement 1, then I is equal to I plus 1. Now check the condition, end loop. So this is syntax of while loop. So first initialization, while condition, if condition is true, it will execute statement 1, then again goes to incrementation, again check the condition, if condition is true, repeats, if condition is false, so this is a while loop syntax. Okay, see, similar to C language. In while loop, first initialization, while condition will be checked. If condition is true, then loop, we are executing statements, then incrementation, again goes to checking condition, if condition is true, repeats, if condition is false, exit. It means in while loop, first condition will be checked, if condition is true, then only statements will execute, if condition is false, cursor exit from the loop. And here we will see factorial of given number. If you take n value 5, factorial of 5 is 120. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Fact is equal to 120. Okay. We will see the program. And first of all, you write the syntax, then we will see program. So now we will see factorial of given number. So you are doing what is the meaning of factorial? What is meaning of factorial? Suppose n value I am entering 5. What is the output of factorial of 5? Factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 in 1, 120. If you display n value 5, the program will determine 120 value. Okay? We'll see. first of all declare. So I number of, so I am taking 3, n number of 3, so I am taking f factorial, okay, number of 6 because size is I am taking high, then begin. So first of all initializing I is equal to 1, runtime I am taking n is equal to and n, so then while I less than or equal to n, then loop. So f is equal to f into I, then I plus plus, okay, loop, then end loop. So dbms underscore output dot put line. So we are displaying f value factor is equal to 5. So then auto slash. Okay. So here first of all declaration of variables, then I number 3, n number 3, f number 3, okay, then begin I is equal to 1, okay. So n is equal to at runtime the program will ask to enter value for n, so I am entering n value. So we will see compilation, I am taking n value is equal to 3. So first I is equal to 1, and fact also we should initialize, otherwise garbage value. So f is equal to already 1, so f is equal to 1, so I am entering n value 3. So I is equal to 1 less than or equal to 3, condition true. If condition is true, f is equal to f into 1, f is equal to 1 into I is equal to 1 is equal to 1, then I plus plus, I is equal to 1 plus 1 2. So again goes to, see, this is I is equal to, again goes to checking I is equal to 2 less than or equal to 3, condition true. If condition true, f is equal to f into I, f means 1, I means 2, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, then I plus plus, I is equal to 2 plus 1 3. So again goes to check the condition 3 less than or equal to 3, condition true. So f is equal to, f means 3, 3 into 3 is equal to 6. So f will be increments, f is equal to 3 plus 1. So already I value increment as a 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So see, I value 4, again check the condition, 4 less than or equal to 3, condition false. If condition is false, exit, it will display. So this is 3 into factorial, 3 into 2, 2 into 1, 3 into 6, so 3, so see, 1 into 2, then 2, 2 into 3, this is 2, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, it will display output 6. See, first initialization, then we are asking a value at runtime, while I less than or equal to n, condition is true, f is equal to f into I, then I plus plus, end loop, and then after ending dbms underscore, we are displaying factor then end. Okay, so this is about factor of given number using while loop. Then last one is for loop is there. First of all, we will see the syntax of for loop. We write this program. See, before going to knowing about for loop, so overall loop and loop is similar to loop and loop similar to do while loop in C language. While loop is similar to while loop in C language. In while loop, first condition will be checked. If condition is true, then only statements will execute. Whereas loop and loop, first of all it will execute, then condition will be checked. So in the next class, we will see about the for loop. So what is the syntax of for loop? So it is similar to C language. For loop also, first check the condition. If condition is true, then only statements will execute. We will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody.